नमस्कार। आज हम बात करेंगे मेडिटेशन के बारे में। ध्यान। अक्सर हम सोचते हैं कि मेडिटेशन उसके लिए है जो कि ओल्ड एज में है या फिर जो बहुत ही परेशान है, हैरान है। बट हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे माइंड का जो इनहेरेंट स्टेट है वो है पीस का, ब्लिस का। और हमारे जो आज के डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं, अगर हम ध्यान दें तो हम जब बेड छोड़ते हैं, मोबाइल फ़ोन के साथ छोड़ते हैं, दिन भर हम कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी नोटिफिकेशन, किसी न किसी डिस्ट्रैक्शन को लेके हम इंगेज रहते हैं हमेशा। फ़ोन कॉल्स, व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस, टेक्स्ट। साथ ही साथ वी हैव नाउ नेटफ्लिक्स, डिफरेंट OTT सर्विसेज। वी डोंट गेट अ टाइम, हमारे पास एक समय नहीं मिलता है कि हम शांति से बैठ के वी सिट बैक एंड रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन हाउ वी आर फीलिंग, व्हाट वी आर फीलिंग, हाउ इज द स्टेट ऑफ आवर माइंड, what is going on within. So meditation is one of the keys to unlock the door of your mind. Now how are we going to do is, we have to train our monkey mind. We have a monkey mind which has a tendency to jump from one thought to other thought, from one conclusion to other conclusion. अब इस जंपिंग हैबिट के लिए पहले आपको अवेयर होना पड़ेगा कि एक्चुअली हमारा माइंड कितना ज़्यादा सोचता है, कितना ज़्यादा ही चंचल है। और उस चीज़ की अवेयरनेस पहले बिल्ड करनी होगी, एंड देन वी विल बी एबल टू ट्रेन आवर माइंड टू यूज़ इट टू द फुलेस्ट कैपेसिटी ऑफ टू आर बेनिफिट एंड टू आर वेल बीइंग। जब हम ये काम नहीं कर पाते हैं तो क्या होता है, lot of peer pressure is there, we have a lot of distractions, so gradually it turns up into anxiety, it turns up into depression, or maybe some psychosomatic disorders. Now हमारे जो findings है, medical findings, they also say that most of the diseases have psychosomatic origin. So why to wait? हमको क्यों वेट करना है तब तक कि जब सब चीज़ें खराब हो जाएं, and then we go back, go to a retreat or go back somewhere to calm our mind. So and it's nothing like कि आपको दिन भर वही करना है. It's just you have to take some time out of your schedule, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whichever is comfortable for you, and then you have to do it. Now अगर हम बात करें कैसे सीखेंगे इसको, so most of the people say मेरा माइंड कंसंट्रेट नहीं होता, आई एम नॉट एबल टू कंसंट्रेट, आई एम नॉट एबल टू सिट फॉर 2 minutes और 5 minutes, तो मेरे से नहीं होगा। एंड बाय दिस यू आर लिमिटिंग योर सेल्फ, दैट यू आर सेइंग दैट ये मैं नहीं कर सकता। सो आई विल गिव यू अ स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल दैट व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड टू लर्न बाइसिकल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल से, so you're not able to ride cycle in a very balanced way. You initially used to falter, you used to fall down, and that is a process of learning, because we are going to train our mind. Similarly, when we ride bicycle or bike, we don't feel that we need to maintain the balance, we need to look ahead in the road, and we're very cautious. So because our muscle memory, our brain is trained to do it. So in meditation also, when we are starting meditation, it is very natural for you to feel that you're not able to concentrate. It's okay. Accept it. Just feel that this is what I am experiencing now. So I'm not able to focus, it's okay. So you have to gently bring your mind from wherever it is to the point of focus which you have chosen. So the point of talking about point of focus, so किस चीज़ पे हम ध्यान करेंगे वो है, you can focus at any stationary point, you can close your eyes and focus on your breath, you can think of a God that you worship, you can think of a stream of light, anything that you can associate yourself with, and let your mind be there. So this is the beauty of meditation, that there is no hard and fast ways, then this is how you have to do it. So whatever suits you, you try few things and then see what is suiting yourself. And we'll talk more about how to do meditation in our upcoming videos. But few things that you need to take care is make sure you regularly do it. Have a fixed time. In that fixed time, give yourself a space, a particular place that you want to sit and meditate. So that will bring a lot of positive energy to that place itself, and that will help you to be regular. For example, when you are exercising, you don't go and exercise anywhere. You go to a place where you actually exercise, so that the whole ambience and the whole energy of that place is different. So for meditation also, do that, and don't feel worried if you're not able to concentrate. It's okay. Try it. It might happen that you are doing it for 1 minute. Good enough. If you can increase it to more 30 seconds, it's also good enough. If you can increase gradually more and more, so you'll find that you have the capacity to sit and meditate. And this is going to bring a lot of changes in your life. Your every aspect, every dimension of your life is going to see the changes. Because when your mind is stable, you're able to think clearly. There is, for example, say, when there's a lake or there's a water pool and there are ripples. So whatever is beneath that, you're not able to see it. हम उस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से नहीं देख पाते हैं. But जैसे ही वो पानी शांत होता है, we have a clarity. So if you want to bring this clarity in your mind and in your thought process, in your life, then meditation is a must to do. So it has been highly recommended by many of the leaders, spiritual leaders, that children should be taught meditation, because if those children who are at the young age can learn how to balance their mind, how to be aware of what is going inside their mind, then they are going to be a better human being, a better citizen of this world. So with this note, I'll urge you to take out some time, sit for meditation, and do leave your experiences and comments in the comment box. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day. Keep smiling. Be happy. Thank you.